Go. Oh yeah, Sage! Yeah. Sweet. Watch your legs. He'll get you. He got teeth like a gator. Comes over. I just come out the bridge, shoot some fish. Daughter and my wife. Might be some full moon shots because his wife decided to wear a sundress, so who knows? Well, it got hot enough. There's algae bloom. The water's nice and green. But might see some fish in that over there. Your adventurous traps. Oh, you stick it? How did I miss that? That was a big one. Life flight. That's never good. I think. Or I'm on the news tonight. Don't know. Not much action there. We'll go try another spot. Well, we're going to try down here in the lagoons. Land of the warrant search and seizures. Oy. Trash. Monarch. Yeah, there was a fish. See it? Get on it. Shoot right at it like you're shooting at a target. Lower. Go. Oh, behind it. That's a good one though. Oh, right over it. Oh, he's still. See him? It's hard. It's between, it's at the bottom of that tree over there. Well, I'm in a predicament. I got one right below me here that I can't shoot at. And the poison ivy. Not taking one for the team, that's for sure. Hear him. Well, not much action. Girls are getting hot. We're gonna cruise back to the bridge, check it out one more time before we head home. Nice creek though. Now we're gonna try the bridge again. The wife is already getting out of the car before I stop. Algae's coming down. Get on the rail. Super speeder coming in. Get it. Go. Oh yeah, Sage! Yoo-hoo! She got it. Put your bow down and just haul the line in. Yeah, girl.
I am.
Sage's first gar. Diggity dog. It is your first fish.
I'm so excited! Oh my God! It's a big one, Dad!
That is a nice one. Doing good. Look at that. We got to wrap him up and put in the car. Sweet. Watch your legs. He'll get you. He got teeth like a gator. Cool.
Can you help me so I can...
Look at that. Just hold it up.
Okay.
And Mom will get your picture.
Okay. Can't figure out where...
Alright. She wants to eat it, so we'll take it home. Dandy. Good job.
Good job. I was almost excited as if I
Put him to
shoot
bed.
one. Thanks.
Well, that was a good time. I'm really proud of my daughter. That was a nice fish. And hands down, gar, the hardest to shoot. But I just want to say thanks for watching. If you like it, share if you do. And thanks for watching. And to my new subscribers, if you're curious about gar, haven't seen one clean, go back on my videos. I got a decent video on cleaning gar and how to fix them. But thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. I think the gar's farting in the back. It smells a bit shaddy.